Today, we're looking at how to use national campaigns to promote how you work. Now, this is the Law Society, and they use social media very much as a way of engaging with their audience. So, obviously, what they want to do is engage with accountants and anyone else within those fields as part of the law. Now, they kind of used, I guess, a national holiday or a national or international even campaign, which was a hashtag International Women's Day. And what they did was they knew that everybody would be talking about obviously that topic over that time because obviously it was a huge thing to discuss. And they had a portrait of the first female solicitor ever, made up by over 1,000 photos of women in law. And whilst I guess they're talking also about closing the gender gap by supporting more women within the senior roles within the law and within the legal industry, it is a really incredible thing to do because it is timely. It shows you that it's been over 100 years since she was admitted as the first female solicitor. Did you know that women now make up 53% of practicing solicitors? So they're showing that it's progressing, but it's maybe still needs some work. And I think just putting all of those things together, of real women in a legal job or in a legal role across the UK is just incredible. It's a really, really lovely thing to do. So I think it's all about showing what they stand for. They used a national campaign, I guess, to highlight it. And so I guess, even if you've created a pledge to do something, or if there's a national day that you can get behind, make sure that you do, because things like this, it's just a really good way of going, wow, we can really hook in our content. We can really focus our efforts on using an international hashtag, and it means that it's topical, so someone's going to be talking about it at that point.